Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how to mine BitTorrent or BTT. So first of all, you need a BTT wallet. If you already have one, then you can just skip this. But if you don't, I'm going to show you how to get one. So we're going to use this link. You can click on it in the description. Open it and then you can download Exodus here. So when you download it and install it, you're gonna open it, and when you open it, it should look like this here. So we click then on wallet and select from all the different cryptocurrencies BitTorrent. So click on it and then we press receive and copy this BitTorrent address. Copy. Okay. So now as we have the link, we just save the link somewhere. And now we have to get the mining program. So therefore you click on the mining program, link in the description, and download this BTT GPU miner. Press download. It's here. So now we extract a folder, and now we have here our BTT GPU miner. So there we press start and edit it. More info, run anyway. And now it says your BTT address. That's where you put the address we copied earlier. Put it in here, and then file, save as. Here it's important to select all files, save, and then replace the old startbat version. And now we're basically done. We can start now, and you see the mining progress is starting. We just have to allow it, and now it is mining for us. So now we of course want to see how much we already mined and how we're gonna get the mined BTT in our wallet. So therefore we go on that website, unminable.com, link in the description. You have to select BTT up here and then put in your wrong address. You have to copy that address, your wallet address, put it in here and search for it, and now it shows you your mining process. Here it's your balance with 33 BTT already mined, and then we can say, and then we wanna automatically pay out when we have 500 BTT, or you can also switch it off if you only want to pay out when you have 10,000 or whatever. And here you can see the performance of your mining process. Yeah, and that's it basically. I hope I could help you. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments, and then see you next time. Bye bye.